Ba-dum-bum, doo-doo, doo, doo-doo, ba-dum-bum, doo-doo, doo, doo-doo, ba-dum-bum, doo-doo, doo, doo-doo, ba-dum-bum, doo-doo, doo, doo-doo, 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 doo, doo-doo, doo. Hello, welcome to Turkish Embassy. This is our residence. We entertain our guests here. It is designed by a Japanese architect. Shall we go to our dining room, please? This is our dining room. We entertain our guests here. We used to have a lot of guests. Today I am going to introduce you the famous breakfast dish of Turkey named menemen. It is consumed all over Turkey, very common, especially on weekends with big family breakfast, brunch with friends, in the restaurants, at home. We eat it with this Turkish bread named pide. Also drink with Turkish black tea. And this is our chef.
My name is Ahmet Yenidoğdu. Turkish Embassy's kitchen. We start now. Turkish breakfast is food. This is for the you using egg. We have for the egg. We have for the tomato. We have the 2-piece green pepper, onion, and then butter, black pepper, salt, sunflower oil. If you put first, if you boil in water, the little bit of the taste will change. One spoon, 2 spoons sunflower oil. Like 1 spoon. Okay, we little waiting, we make try little color change. We now put in green pepper. Two minutes. This is you put green pepper. After you can put tomato. If you make fast, you making. You can make high fire, sound. Okay. With black pepper. You first don't make too much mix. yellow one with a little straw. You can mix. Okay, tea now is ready. Very easily, you can make it very fast for breakfast.
This is really good. And when we really like a dish, we do with this bread like this and eat it like this. It's really good. I recommend all my Japanese friends, when I invite them for breakfast, we cook this and we invite them and they also like it. Because some ingredients of Turkish kitchen you cannot find in Japanese markets, but these are found everywhere. This is very handy, very convenient, very easy to make, and the taste is very delicious. So I'm sure those who are not familiar with the Turkish kitchen, they will also like it.